That's out. Oh yeah,
Yo, celebration picture.
We would be winning right now if Rec Room wasn't racist.
How long is... Yo, what is this guy's jawline?
Your jawline is perfect.
Ouch.
Why did I get teleported?
I died.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I just said that.
Okay.
Said that so sorry. No, why I said it. Hello, like.
Oh, fuck!
Fuck.
You guys got that.
I hit my bed.
How you do?
You good? My bed.
What?
Yo, this guy's feeding to me, bro.
Good game.
Roblox NPCs.
Yo, I got a bubble worm.
Yeah, bubbly.
Guys, like and subscribe. Like
Subscribe
and
and like. Like and subscribe.
1
Put
million.
their
The
dim.
mustard hot dog VR.
Ready to start.
Like and subscribe
If you
right
don't
now.
like and subscribe, we'll find where you live.
Turn on notifications.
Look at these teams.
Wait, devil.
Look at the teams again, Devil.
Subscribe now. Yo. What?
Yo, who the fuck?
What?
Why are we?
Subscribe to Mustard Hot Dog VR.
He's always in the same team.
Bro.
Ouch.
Hey, I think you got out, buddy.
Where the hell did my team go?
Over there.
Oh. Hold on, I gotta stand up.
Hey, Chuteka, look at this motivation. Side flat motivation.
Look at this motivation, bro.
Huh? Oh, I actually grabbed this ball instead.
Chuteka got it now. He got that motivation.
What?
I think
That
we
is
should
not
get
it.
killed.
Why is
Are
he
you guys
floating?
dating?
Why is this guy floating?
Ow. That's hurting my neck for some reason. You're what?
Don't remind me of that meme,
You're
bro.
an infant?
That's it. I'm hopping off. I'm deleting the game. I'm deleting Rec Room.
No, cause
Watch this.
Ouch. Oh yeah. You're right.
Oh, there we go.
Bro, I'm done.
Sweet!
I'm
No
so
reason
mad. I
that.
can't throw my camera.
can't throw your camera.
I thought the guys.
You guys, I'm sitting
Don't
down.
lose it.
I'm sorry, yo. Yo.
Am I right or am I wrong?
Definitely not.
Am I right or am I wrong?
Hey, clearly it's
Okay,
your
wait,
fault, by the way,
wait.
'cause we got out first.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Okay, I'm watching.
Am I right or am I wrong?
Yes.
Yo,
Hey,
360 no scope. Eve. How did I hit you?
What do you mean?
Any
You're
day
so
now.
close. Whoa.
Oh my god. Of course you have to say that.
I missed trying to catch it.
Yo, that's so weird.
Did you
That
get
sounds
voice
so weird.
Bro.
That's not weird.
How the hell did you get voice band?
Imagine getting voice banned. Imagine getting
You
voice
win.
banned, imagine getting voice
Yeah.
banned.
Imagine getting white man.
Oh my goodness! I got a cake. I got a cake.
Cake pops.
Cake. Your noob died. Yo, your teammate died.
Ready to
What can
start.
you do now? Revive noob.
Look at the teams, bro.
Game on.
Wait a minute. The teammate's all the way over there. What?
Sorry, bro.
What the fuck happened to my ball?
I didn't want to be late. Was I too late? Was I too late?
was dead.
Ah!
Yeah, my bad.
I love jerking it.
What? Oh, yeah. Oh,
What is his name?
oh, no.
Look where he is! Caleb, look behind you!
What? What the?
Look at this guy.
Order.
One
Wait, what? How are you guys so close to each other? How did I not?
Thing has to be rigged.
I
Ah!
absolutely
Whoa! Wait, hold on. I gotta get a drink. This game is really good.
that ball hit me.
Yo, Caleb's beating it, bro. Devil, what you gonna do, Devil?
Wait, what?
How did that hit me?
How did my teammate die?
I don't know.
I got these balls. Oh, yeah. I suck at aiming, bro.
Hold on. I'm drinking Monster.
What? That was a cat.
Yeah, I know. It's that bad.
Hey, go chill.
Yo, you missed that. Oh, that's so far.
Hey, go chill.
It's too far.
What are your guys' thoughts on the game
Bitch.
Furry and Friends?
Oh, I thought I hit him.
I love
Oh my god!
I love Furry and Friends.
Racism.
Game over.
Ah, do you like Furry and
You
Friends?
win.
I love Furry and Friends.
Okay.
Yo!
Oh my
I'm
goodness.
stuck to rubber band. Lollipop.
Guys, is this the drip? Is this the drip? Yo, the drip!
It's not running the drip. It's not running the drip.
Ready to
Stop
That's
start.
the
running
drip.
the
That's the drip. That's
No,
the
I
drip.
think-
That's
I
the
think we
drip.
have to leave so I can get my progress. Like, you know what I mean? Here, I'll go to the rec center.